So in a recent archaeological dig, came across a bunch of old receipts, and these are all from probably pre-2000. Every single one of these receipts was printed on a dot matrix receipt printer. In the purple ink, if you remember that from back in the day, dot matrix all the way. And these receipts, unlike the other receipt video that I had recently, really don't have much in the way of crap on them, because they're just, companies weren't out to steal your information. So basically what we have here is a receipt from the Warner Brothers store in Roosevelt Field Mall on Long Island, New York, $12.21.99. So this was a Christmas present for somebody. Wasn't for me. Tax rate was 8.5% back then. It went up to 8.75 and then actually back down, believe it or not, to 8.625, at least at this point. And that's it. The only thing you got, shop Warner Brothers online, www.wbstore.com. Let me tell you, the people, and of course that's all folks at the end, the people that worked at that store, I am sure, knew when the receipt was almost done printing, because banging these asterisks out in two lines made like a kind of sound on the dot matrix printer, and you would hear that all day. Every sale. Oh, fun times back then. So that was that one. Here's one from JCPenney. Also Roosevelt Field. This was $12.21.99, same day, I guess. And whatever the items are, I don't even know what the hell it is. Peppermint 5.5, I don't know what the hell that is. Got a whole $2.50 off. Wow. And card holder acknowledges receipt of goods and services in the amount shown and agrees to pay for them according to credit contract with card issuer. To make returns easier, please save your receipts. Thank you. Keep this slip for statement verification. Customer copy. No bullshit. And dot matrix with a nice purple ink. You can see all the little dots, and they even dressed this one up as they did with the Warner Brothers one by making double wide text in certain places there, and the thank you was big also. Here's one from Macy's. Now, why it's green, I really don't know. I can't answer that. I have no idea. It looks like there's some blue mixed in. I doubt the receipt printers could print 4 colors. You would see this with dot matrix printers where there were 4 colors and they eventually kind of merge into one because the yellow gets muddied with the red and the black and stuff like that, and the blue, you know. So I really don't understand that. It looks like there was at least a blue and maybe a native green or something. I really don't know. But it was dot matrix and a barcode. A very low resolution barcode. Take a look at that. Yep, dot matrix printers could print barcodes. I haven't had much luck scanning those, and it doesn't look like there's that much information in them, but whatever. Terminal 104, customer copy purchase, some store codes, men's gifts. This was on $12.21.99, same day, so you could add up the Christmas bills here. What do we got? 20, just round it off. $44, $21, $98. And here's one from Calendar Connection. You get 2 with this one, which is really nice. Also Roosevelt Field Mall, December 5th, 99. A couple of wall calendars. And what's nice is they also did reverse printing where everything is purple. And if you look there, it says invoice total. That was also a common trick that was done. And the calendar connection name is in bold type, which is nice. This is the kind of shit you could do with dot matrix receipt printers. And it was nice. Then you got a separate charge receipt where it has all this information. And now this is yellow because this had a white copy in front of it that would have the it would have the what do you call it? The white copy in front would be for the store. And so there's a typical charge receipt from back in the day. And now we get to the cream of the crop, The Wiz. I used to work there, as you know, if you've been following my channel. So we'll go through and decode just about anything we can here. This was under our new receipt system, which was put into place somewhere in 1999. This is 12/22/99, because our old system was not Y2K compliant. So this was in the early stages of us using it. And typically for purchases under $200, there's an option on the menu for a cash and carry purchase, which means that it doesn't have to capture customer information or anything like that. It was just, I'm buying this VCR and thank you and have a nice day. And that was it. And it's a perfectly legitimate receipt and, you know, whatever. So cash and carry receipt, merchandise taken. Well, it's not taken until you walk out of the store, but it's taken in the sense that it was taken out of inventory. Store number 17, The Wiz, and that was at 109 and 125 Old Country Road. That's because they were actually two separate stores joined together there. Carl Place, New York, and the phone number, 739-2221. Yeah, I remember that. No idea. Well, 12/29... 12/22/9 and 17 would have been the store. KGHP, I have no idea. Cashier was me. I rang this up. That was my ID there. And that. And the salesperson was also me. That's because we could ring up charge receipts on the sales floor. So you could have the same cashier as salesperson. The wife bought this for her dad. These were Motorola Talkabout two-way radios. So they were $65 a piece. She bought two of them. And look what's next listed, which is CVC discount, Cablevision employee, because we were then owned by Cablevision. So this was the model number, the Mata LK101BL. And then it actually said at instead of using the at symbol. And then it would give the SKU number, which was 902018, and then a description of the item. And same thing here, the CVC discount could also be rung up as 111111. Your subtotal, your tax, total due, amount received, amount tendered, change due, financed amount. We never financed anything, but it just printed that because this was the wrong POS system for the wrong company. Balance due, drawer number 50, which was that register number, VS for Visa, the amount, the date, and the approval code. And I agree to comply with the cardholder agreement. I tore off the bottom, which was just signed here. And that was it. This is how it used to be. A plain and simple, easy to understand receipt with no bullshit on it. The only one that had anything was the Warner Brothers one. And notice how dark the print is on there. This doesn't count because that's a carbon copy, so it's always going to be dark. Kind of light. Macy's, I don't know what the hell went on. JCPenney's okay, but the Wiz is like the lightest out of all of them. Gee, I wonder why. And very quickly, before the battery in this camera runs out, refund policy, any product, if not open, may be returned within 33 days of purchase at 100% refund. Open products may be returned for refund within 33 days at purchase if the product is in its original condition, accompanied by the original box packaging, manuals, and accessories. Exceptions: computers, camcorders, TVs 30 inches and above, radar detectors, music, movies, software, and videos, game systems are non-refundable once opened or if defective. Non-refundable even if defective. That's right. Will be exchanged within 33 days for the same model or title only. So the defective bullshit, and the price protection policy within 33 days of the date of purchase will beat any price of the competitors listed below, plus 10% of the difference when presented with a with a current advertisement for the exact model number and configuration or service. This does not apply to offerings that include a bonus or free offer, items offered in limited quantities, clearance, discounted, use of one-of-a-kind products or going out of business sales. Doesn't apply to cellular phones or pagers using alternative carriers. And approved competitors: Circuit City, PC Richard, Walmart, Service Merchandise, Staples, Bradley's, Kmart, Best Buy, J&R Music World, Harvey Electronics, CompUSA, Office Max, Caldor, Toys R Us, Bell Atlantic Mobile, Tops Appliance City, Sears, JCPenney, Office Depot, KB Toys, Target, Coconuts, Sam Goody, Tower Records, Virgin Megastores, and Musicland.
And how many of those stores can you count that have gone out of business since 1999, 21 years ago at this time of the recording? Leave a comment below.
DSS return policy: may not be returned for a refund, restore credit. If defective, it will be exchanged or repaired by the manufacturer of the hardware for the same unit. Please contact the manufacturer directly to arrange for that. Blah, blah, blah. Refund policy for home delivery. Screw you. And for gift certificates, screw you. The Wiz cannot be held responsible for gift certificates that are lost or stolen, and may not be redeemed for cash. So the Wiz basically said, fuck you, you don't get shit, and that was that. We used to charge an open box fee, but they got rid of that eventually because a lot of other stores did. But we did have a 33-day return policy, which was something that no other stores had. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. Save your old receipts because you won't need them in the future. Bye-bye. And by the way, I know I crossed out all the stuff here. If you're looking for information, you're not going to find it, because these accounts have been closed for over, 15 years, something like that. Yeah, so don't even bother. Don't waste your time, although you probably did already.